So you've made the decision to add landscape lighting to your business, and you're obviously looking for something that could add revenue, but also enhance your reputation to your clients. So the question I get all the time is, how do I let my customers know? The first thing is simple things, an email. Sending out an email to your customer base, letting them know that you are going to provide landscape lighting. The second thing is a simple phone call, especially those great customers. We all have those customers that are advocates for our business, and those are ones that I would just reach out to. I'd have a phone call with them. And what I would say is, I've decided to offer landscape lighting. And one thing that's special is I've partnered with a great company that has a team of lighting designers that I'm going to work with on your project. And I'd like to come by and show you what we can do. And so with Sterling Lighting, you can work with my design team. We've won a ton of lighting awards, both internationally and domestically. And my design team will sit down and go through what we would do on a project of that caliber. Those are the simple things I would do. A mass email to everybody, but a personalized phone call or letter to your really special customers, and use the Sterling Lighting Design Assistance Program so that you could come in at a very high level, understanding lighting design and showcasing your work to these great customers. The next thing that I recommend is a demonstration kit. We have a demonstration kit that will allow you to actually set up a temporary setup. This allows you to see the placement of lights, the light levels, and allows you to really showcase your ideas to your clients. You couple that with design renderings and drawings, you're at a high level of lighting design. You're off and running, and you could sell your first jobs, install your first projects, gain that experience. And I always recommend take photos. If you can hire a professional photographer to do that, but even taking good photos with your iPhone or your high caliber phone in the best resolution possible and sharing that online to your client base, to friends and family, so they could see the level of work you're gonna do. When one house is done properly with landscape lighting, everybody else notices that it's automatically the best looking home in the neighborhood. So my recommendation, get started right away, talk to your customers, get a demonstration kit, get our starter kit, use our rendering service, and allow us to help you to grow your landscape lighting business. I spent 22 years trying to come up with a program for renderings and drawings to be able to demonstrate to my clients how their own house would look. Something like a rendering can actually elevate your vision to your customers because they could see what you're talking about. And the moment the photograph comes out, the print comes out, they're able to picture what their house is going to look like. And everybody asks me, is it a program I could just buy? Can I just use my iPhone or my iPad and make that happen? That's not how it works. In fact, we use about 4 different programs in order to get the drawings and to get the renderings. We have 2 full-time architects that have gone through a ton of light training with me and in other organizations that are working our design assistance and rendering program. So if you want to elevate your offering to your customers, offer the renderings. That's going to showcase the work. The drawings gives you your work plans. Your customers can see the importance of a drawing to see where the lights are going to go, and that's going to help line up on your proposal form so you're very organized and everything is ready to go on installation day. So getting started simple. Number 1, choosing the right product. If you're not going to put in quality products, don't bother doing it. It'll ruin your reputation. So using a quality product is essential. Reaching out to your customers, especially your key customers. Quick phone call, quick email that just says, let me show you what I could do with lighting. Use our design assistance and rendering program so we could provide drawings and renderings so you could showcase your vision. Teaming up with our design team will elevate your design and your professionalism to your client. And finally, demo kits and photos. Get a demo kit from Sterling Lighting, take photographs of your demonstrations and any projects you work on, and we are here to help you get started correctly so it can enhance your reputation, grow your business, and showcase the work that you're already doing. Lastly, at Sterling Lighting, we're here to help. We're all about customer service. Our team is dedicated to making certain you get your jobs done right, look professional. Give us a call, reach out, we're here for you. We're excited to work with you. Welcome to the Sterling team.